Down on the city, the flags are really whipping at the state capitol. Dave, the winds were fairly mild in Denver much of the day. Not anymore.
Yeah, our turn. It took all day, but it's finally arrived out there. I just want to show you this map. Look at this. Not only do we have wind, we have winter, we have fire, we have freeze, and we have a problem with air quality out there as well. So let's walk you through it. Nearly every part of the state experiencing this real rocking wind we have out there. 44 in Sterling. 21 in Boulder, 48 in Vail, 51 in Glenwood Springs, 41 in Del Norte down there. And here's our winds a little closer. Arvada's up at 63 already, 58 in Westminster, and we're 34 mile per hour in Central Park going on right now as these winds are really just strengthening around here. As we showed you at the top of the show, red flag warning till 9 p.m. tonight, Denver and all of northeastern Colorado. In fact, it includes the entire eastern part of the state and the San Luis Valley. But again, it will at least until 8 p.m. tonight, and tomorrow might be another situation like that. We have had snow in the mountains, and we had earlier a little bit of rain from Denver out over eastern Colorado, and in some cases almost a thunderstorm starting to fire up. Out in Aurora, we had a little report of some graupel out there from the shower that went through earlier. In the mountains now, additional snowfall through midnight along with 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts. About 1 to 3 Summit County into Winter Park, 3 to 6 Steamboat into the Flat Tops, and from Vail and Aspen down through Crested Butte about another 2 to 5 inches of snow, it looks like. All right, let's show you what's going to happen with the wind now. It's going to stick around. Tonight, it will weaken after sunset. It won't go away, but we'll still see the winds. Tomorrow morning, 40 to 50 mile per hour winds from the north into the eastern plains, and then it will energize out across eastern Colorado in the afternoon and for some of the mountains as well. Now, the futurecast on moisture, not much of that. We'll have some snow in the mountains. As we said, light amounts there. We clear out over almost every place else. So tomorrow will be a mostly sunny day, but watch what happens in the afternoon when we get that surge of wind here across the eastern plains. More clouds developing here, and we might even pick up a few late day flurries in some of the central mountains. And if that's not enough, our friends out in Grand Junction in the Grand Valley tonight have a freeze warning through 9 a.m. tomorrow because temperatures are going to be awfully cold statewide. In fact, some of the mountain readings like Breckenridge and Leadville might get into the single digits overnight tonight. And tomorrow, I did want to mention we had 61 degrees in Denver today. So tomorrow will be about 10 degrees cooler with that 50 at the airport and in Boulder as well with 20s and 30s in the mountains. So everybody cooling down for tomorrow. So more wind tomorrow, but the sun comes back. 55 on Thursday, 66 on Friday for the Rockies home opener, and hallelujah, not as windy on Friday through the weekend. 76 on Saturday. That'll be the pick game of the weekend. And then on Sunday, Jim, with a few more clouds and a chance of a shower, we're going to bring the temperature on Sunday back down to about 59. So a cool finish to the weekend.
There you go. And I like seeing the Rockies up on there. Rockies fans, this is our week. Opening day just around the corner, and many of us are itching to get back to the beautiful confines of Coors Field. CBS 4's Karen Lee.